Welcome on my channel Drawing by Aqsa. Hello kids. Let's draw with me kids. Cartoon alphabet today. See which cartoon alphabet today I am drawing. Drawing now kids with me and follow this step. Drawing a cute cartoon alphabet. See how I am drawing. This is cute cartoon alphabet K. This is alphabet K. See kid how I am doing coloring in alphabet. This is cartoon alphabet K. This is alphabet K. Alphabet K. Now I am finishing my coloring in alphabet K. Best of luck kids and subscribe my channel Drawing by Aqsa.